I am friendless out of choice. Stay with me until the end of this video because I will explain why I have no friends out of choice and why you don't need them in your life as well. Let's get this out of the way real quick. Friends are time consuming. Like if you have all the time in the world and you have nothing else to do and you have insecure and you need someone to talk to and share your problems with and your goals and desires and your dreams and everything, yeah, that's a good thing. And don't get me wrong, I'm not an introvert. Don't relate to me, oh, I don't get out of the house. I'm a party person. I party almost every night. I'm an extrovert. I'm the definition of extroversion. Like I can talk to anyone. I'm very social. I'm always fun. I'm always dancing. I'm always laughing. I love talking to people. I can very easily talk to anyone and have fun. But that's it. That's what I love. Talking to people on the surface level only to have fun, to go out and have some drinks, to dance, to go to a party, and that's it. When things get serious, I'm out of here. And I will tell you why. Because most people, when they say friends, of course, they mean something more than that. More than going out for drinks and having fun. I mean just that. That is not friends, of course. When they say friends, they mean someone that they can share deeper conversation. And that word, oh my God, it pisses me off, that phrase, deep conversation. There are not deep conversations. People say that they want deep conversations and to connect to someone on a deeper level because they want to feel wise. They want to feel significant. Oh, look at me, I'm grown. I'm more grown than anyone else. I read books. I take courses. I do all of that. I have spent thousands of dollars on seminars, but that's not my value. That's not where my value comes from. That's not what I'm here to connect with people. I'm here to have fun. So these people want to seem significant, like, oh, look at me, how wise I am. I know how to dive into the human soul and understand you. But all they want to do is just talk. People want to be heard and seen. They're selfish. They're narcissists, just like we are. The problem is that we admit it. That's the only difference. We're brave enough. We're bold enough to say it. We know we're narcissists. Everyone is. Everyone is. Look in the mirror. You know you're significant. You want other people to admire you, to praise you. You want to be the center of attention, even if you claim that you're shy and that's not the way it is. That's the way it is. So all these deep conversations is only a way to make you feel important, significant, and that you know that you're better than anyone else.